So today I'm going to explain to you guys mountaintop removal, and this kind of goes hand in hand with the other PowerPoint we talked about, deforestation, because mountaintop removal is literally removing the tops of mountains. If you see in this picture, you've got all these mountains and hills that have forests, completely covered in forest. Then you have this area here where they've started a mine. A company has started a mine. A mine is where basically you dig into the earth to find precious minerals that or stuff like coal that we need for certain things or products. So you see here that they've literally just taken out all the trees, they've chopped them down, they've used tractors to basically flatten the area. Now all you see is rock. And in some instances, they do have to use dynamite to basically blow off parts of it to get down to where they need. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like grooves down there that they've basically made an impression into the earth, and they've kind of blown that rock out. If we look at other pictures, you can see here too, same thing, literally the top of that mountain. All the trees are gone, so in the process of removing the top of it, they've also caused deforestation. So if you think about it, they've destroyed the habitat of the animals that live there. Those animals have had to recede back down and find different places to live. Here's another example from further away. You can see against the backdrop the damage that's been done. All these pretty green forests, and then right here you've got the mountaintop where it's literally down to rock, where they've just blown it apart to either clear out the trees or to get inside the earth to get the coal or the other resources that they need. The last picture I have is this one. It looks like fall time. You can see the leaves are changing in this picture. But again, they've used probably dynamite to clear that out. If we go back to this article, it says mountaintop removal mining devastates the landscape, turning areas that should be lush with forest and wildlife into barren moonscapes. Basically, I mean, it's just what you see. I mean, they've set up platforms here to start doing their mining with no regard to the wildlife that is around them. And you can see what it does to the landscape. I mean, this is how it should be. And this is what they've done to it. It's a very, very sad situation. But the assignment for today is going to be to watch this video that I'm posting, maybe make some comments about it, and then I'm also going to have you read this article on your own. You will be able to find the answers to your article questions in this paragraph here where it says how it's done. So I'd suggest, when you click on this article, to go down to those paragraphs to read through that to get your answers.